Peirce describes this dynamic state, his dynamic interpretant, as the interpreter's perceivable reaction to the encoded semiotic sign, based on what they individually feel and do when presented with the sign. The interpreter's reactions to understand the visual clues through their internal lenses of cultural knowledge and their individual lived experiences. This is why the Danish semiotician Thorkild Tellefsen describes these states as corresponding to culture. He argues that understanding cannot disregard culture, as that is where we mediate our understanding of the world. We scan for our own culturally acquired knowledge to seek a proposition of what the meaning could be. Let's return to the panda. Bear with me. In this demonstration, we have not yet understood this drawing to be a panda. We are still at the moment of pattern interpretation. Remember,